Upscale CBS home on 10 peaceful acres minutes from downtown. Open floor plan features soaring ceilings, 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full baths, formal dining room and 2-car garage. Stylish eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite tops flows nicely into family room with fireplace. Master suite has tray ceilings, his enter closets, French doors to patio, huge master bath with walk-through shower, soaking tub and double vanities. Many upgrades such as whole house generator, custom ceiling fans, in-wall pest system, and central vac. Incredible views of preserve across the street. Grassy Island Preserve with bike and horses trails just down the street. Come see this wonderful home today.